about women empowering women, spend some time learning some new skills, and then having a really fun afternoon of fishing. So I really do hope that you walk away today with some great memories, and I do hope we can catch some fish and, you know, network and women empowering women. So if you see someone who needs some help, you know, help each other out, and yeah, I just hope we all just have a fantastic day.
Women out here today have all been amazing. They've all got giant smiles on their face, and they've just been eager to learn and then to get out and apply what they've learned.
If you want to do a photo, it really doesn't look as nice when you have your fingers on this way facing the picture. So either you want to hold him like she is, or switch your finger to his other gill plate so you're hiding that part, and then you get the whole fish and you get the beauty of the fish, right?
My favorite station was learning how to safely unhook the fish. It was nice because we got to use a real fish, so it was hands-on. We got to try it out before we went fishing, so it was really great to learn that and how to properly handle them, take the hook out, where to place your fingers, not hurt their gills, things like that. It was excellent.
The knot tying one, it was really informational. I liked being able to try the battery operated augers. That was really interesting. Fish part 2, that was really interesting. I didn't know you had to like rub his belly to make him make the fish happy.
Highly recommend it because nobody here makes you feel stupid. There's no dumb questions. It's a comfortable atmosphere and everybody's here for the same reason, to have fun.
Amazing when you see so many people come together. An amazing town like Lac La Biche, where I grew up, and I believe in this town so much. It's in my heart. I want to continue to promote it because it is beautiful. The people are beautiful, and it's amazing to see people want to see you succeed. And so I want to just say a huge thank you to the town and everybody in it.
You learn, you get fed, you get a gift bag, and you meet a ton of great people.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
$56.
Yeah, exactly. You summed that up perfectly, Jeez. You need a shot of her, Sid.